Hello everyone, my name is Priyansh Trivedi and today we have a Samsung ad on my Instagram for selling their tab. I am a former Samsung user in terms of mobile and in terms of tab. I am currently recording this video on a Samsung tab. So let's go on our screen and see their meta advertisement. So now we are on our screen and as you can see this is the ad. I have taken a screenshot of the ad on my device and we would be discussing this ad only. Now if you pay attention you would see that there are few colors that are dominating this graphic design. So as you could see there would be a saffron, all this empty space, right? This is white color and this is a green color. So if we combine all these colors we would see that these colors represents our national flag. So this is saffron, white and green. So it is very tasteful of Samsung to take our primary colors of our national flag and incorporate them into the primary colors of the meta advertisement. Now another thing that you should pay attention is that the timing of this ad. So I have taken this screenshot and I'm recording it on if you can see that it is on 15th Jan and on 26th of Jan we have, as you could see even in the ad copy, our Republic Day. So just by using the colors they have indirectly pointed to the thing which is that this ad is focusing on the sale on Republic Day, right? I really appreciate when companies do these kind of things when they don't directly tell the people that, oh, this is a sale because Republic Day is coming and we wanted to do a sale. uh, I never like this kind of direct marketing, but hinting with colors and other elements on something like Republic Day or Independence Day, I really do appreciate these kind of subtle hints. Well, not so subtle, it's literally saffron, white and green. I don't think anyone would miss this, but I do appreciate it. Now it is not just the overall use of these colors. It is present in small areas as well, so I would point out few of them. So you, even in this case you could see this is saffron, this is white and this is green. So this is white and this is green, and in the center they have also marked the Ashok Chakra that we have in the center of our national flag. So that is also very, again, thoughtful from Samsung or whichever marketing agency they have hired. So the it is very good to see from them. Now another thing where they have tried to incorporate their color is this center button. So I'm talking about this part. So if I would mention, so this is saffron, this is the green, and the actual text, this text is white. So again we have our three colors, so that means saffron, white and green, again the colors of our national flag. Again, very thoughtful from Samsung or their marketing agency to uh, take our national flag colors and incorporate them. Now moving to another thing is that uh, you know I'm going to be circling the corners of these shapes. Okay, so let me mark, whenever I can mark two corners together I would. Okay, so let me make a bigger one for better clarity. So these are all the corners that I have in this composition, and if you would pay a bit of attention you would see that all these shapes are 90-degree, not shapes, the corners, right? So if you would see, This is a 90 degree, 90 degree, right? Now 90-degree corners are obsolete in terms of a design, right? So if you are making graphics, if you are making some elements for your website, for your softwares, for icons for your in this case I am also a Samsung user. I would show you my home screen in just a while. The user interface, user experience, anything. So using this 90-degree element is outdated. Most of the companies that I know have abandoned the use of this 90-degree angle quite a long back, right? Now I'm aware that trends are quite trends do come back from time to time, but as of now 90 degree corners have yet to make a return. But so that's why I have pointed this out. So now here we have the physical product, and we have the front and the back view both. And if you would see the corners of these products, these corners are not 90 degree. These are uh, rounded, right? So I would point out these corners just in case, right? So here we have a discrepancy. This is a 90-degree angle, but these are rounded. Okay, this one is not. Same as the example of this. We should mention it here also, 90 degree. Okay, now another place where you could see these discrepancies is this shape. This shape also have rounded edges or corners, right? So I'll put round here, and the same could be observed in here. I'll just erase this and I'll put it again. So here, and what both of these elements have in common? These both elements have rounded corners. So here I'll put rounded. All right, so these are a few discrepancies that needed to be fixed, because in one element somewhere you have rounded, right, rounded elements, and another place you have 90-degree angles, right? So here we have 90 degree, again 90 degree, 90 degree, and 90 degree. So if we talk about consistency, this ad lacks a consistency in terms of corners. Somewhere these corners are rounded, another not so much, right? Another thing I would like to mention before I forget it, so I'll just quickly remove all of these things so that I have a bit of space. And now that I do have space, I would like to mention, I can't believe I almost missed this. Have a look at the picture on the screen of the tablet. This is a peacock, right? So it's a peacock. And what is the national bird of animal? You guessed it correctly, it is a peacock. So in addition to using the saffron, white and green, okay, I saffron, so that's white and that's green, right? So in addition to using the saffron, white and green, they have also used the national bird of India, that is peacock. This is a illustration, it is not an image. It has been drawn or that is what I am assuming, that it is drawn on some application on this tab or whatever. But yes, I do like that they have used our national color, but they have also used the national bird of India as well in terms of using an image. So that was also very thoughtful from Samsung. I do really like what they have tried to achieve with their ad. The only thing that I would do is have an image that is of that is of different aspect ratio, because uh, this whole this is from what I can see, it is probably 1:1, so that means it is a square. And squares are perfect aspect ratio if you want to show your ad in the main feed. Okay, because in main feed it is going to be perfect, no part of your advertisement would be cutting off, right? But as you are Samsung India, I don't believe budget is any concern to you. Now I might be wrong, some companies despite having budget do not like to spend it on their marketing. So if that is the case, I totally understand. But here you need to have two, right? Number one, you should have a 1:1, and another you should have number two, which would be a reel. And reel format is, I believe, is to 9:16. So that means you would take all the space inside this. So the space which is wasted here would not be wasted. You could uh, for example, now this is, I'm just saying because somewhat looks like a rectangle from what I am able to see. So it is somewhat looks like a rectangle. So uh, one thing that you could do with this is that fill it with the colors of the national flag of India, right? So that means you could do saffron here, do white here, and green here, and in the center you could make Ashok Chakra, right? So that means that you would be uh, basically in a way showing the national flag of India as well. That was the potential that you could have used in the top. But as you have not, so this is one of the suggestions that I would present. And yeah, overall these are the few things that I believe needs to be addressed, or there is a potential there's a potential of improvement in this advertisement. I do hope that this session was somewhat helpful for someone out there who is going to be working in social media or paid advertisement, or even in graphic designing as well. And if it did help you, I would appreciate if you could give me a follow, a like, engage with the content. It is all about that algorithm, that sweet engagement, followers. So if you would do that, that would be highly appreciated. But if you do not feel like doing that, that is also totally understandable. I can't make you do that, but the choice is up to you. Till then, my name is Priyansh. I hope you have a good day and stay safe. Bye bye for now.